Today's topic best fishes for small aquarium. So in this video I will discuss about the 10 type of fishes which you can keep in your small aquarium. So the first fish for today is guppy fish. Guppies are perfect pets for small aquarium as they grow up to 3 to 6 cm in length. They are extremely easy to care for but tends to breed with each other first if the gender aren't separated. They came in various color with males being more vibrant colored than females. So guppies can tolerate various water conditions which makes them so popular. It's important to keep the water temperature around 25 to 29 degrees centigrade so they can live happily in their tanks. The second fish is neon tetra, probably one of the most well-known freshwater species. The neon tetra is a small, thin and easy to care fish that's ideal for small tank. Neon tetra don't grow very long, reaching only 2.2 cm in length. They are known for being a very peaceful fishes. They do best when kept in groups and in tank with plants and other accessories they can hide in. Third fish is zebra danios, the perfect fish for beginners. The zebra danios is a small and low maintenance fish that typically grow up to 5 to 7 cm. Because they are schooling fish, they need to be kept in group, otherwise they will become very stressed. Tank size: you can keep 6 to 8 zebra in 1 feet tank. Temperature they require is 24 to 28 degrees centigrade. Heater they don't require. And the fourth fish for today is betta fish. Betta, also known as the Siamese fighting fish, is another popular freshwater choice for aquariums. Betta are known for their high territorial and aggressive behavior. If your betta fish is peaceful enough, they can be kept in a tank with other species. Tank size they require is 1.5 feet and heater they require. And the fifth fish is surfer tetra. Surfer tetra can be kept in 1.5 feet tank and the lifespan is 5 to 6 years. Temperature they require is 22 to 26 degrees centigrade. And the sixth fish is tiger barb. The tiger barb is a popular known freshwater fish that's ideal for small aquarium. They can grow up to 2 inches and can be easily recognized for their yellow colors and black marking on their bodies. Tank size they require 3 pairs of tiger barb can be easily kept in 1.5 feet tank. Temperature they require is 23 to 28 degrees centigrade. The 7th fish for today is Harlequin rasbora. Harlequin rasbora are a beautiful freshwater fish that can be found in plenty of tanks all over the world. The average lifespan of Harlequin rasbora is between 5 and 8 years. The maximum size of the Harlequin rasbora is about 2 inches in length when in captivity. Temperature they require is 22 to 27 degrees centigrade. And the next fish is Chile rasbora. The Chile rasbora is also known as the mosquito rasbora, is a tiny schooling freshwater fish that has become quite popular in the aquarist community. The average Chile rasbora lifespan is somewhere between 4 and 8 years. The recommended minimum tank size for Chile rasbora is only 5 gallon. Water temperature they required is 68 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. pH level is between 4.0 to 7.0. The ideal is 6.0 is ideal. Water hardness is 3 to 12. And the ninth fish for today is platy and mollies. Platy and mollies is a stunning freshwater fish that came in numerous exotic colors. They are typically peaceful fishes that thrives well in communities. You may see them getting along with guppies. They are very social. Platies and mollies require a mix of plant-based food and proteins, though they can also eat meat-based food. And the last fish for today is ember tetra. The typical ember tetra lifespan is between 2 and 4 years. The average ember tetra size is just under 1 inches in length. The ideal tank size for ember tetra is 10 gallon. Water temperature is between 73 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit. pH level is 5 to 7 and water hardness is 5 to 17. So this was all information about the best fish for small aquarium. I hope it will help you. More videos are coming soon, so stay tuned.